Have a look, Johnny, for you over there. Precision dice with remote control A and B. You can play wherever you want. Barbut, you can play CeeLo, you can do 7-11 to bring the point and so on. Have a look. These are the 5/8 inch dice, high precision dice. Red, green, and blue. The 5/8 means the 16 millimeters. You see? All with remote control. Just a moment to focus back. The baby dice, like this. These are the 12.7 millimeter dice for Barbut, for Backgammon, also with remote control. And the middle dice, 14 millimeter dice. Look, have a look. Just a moment to see better. This is for Backgammon and for Barbut. Look how beautiful. High precision dice, loaded, have system inside. Have a look to see how beautiful working with this remote control. Look. Any game you want, we can put for you system. In any game. In Barbut, in 7-11, in CeeLo, in Backgammon. We can make for you everything what you need. Microchip dice, magnetic king dice. We can do loaded dice, weighted dice. We can change the number of the dots on every face. We can do exactly like you wish. You tell me how you need and we can do it. That's all.